Hello, welcome to my channel. The BMW M8 Gran Coupe 2025 is a high-performance luxury sedan that blends stunning design with exhilarating power and advanced technology. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Exterior. Sleek and aggressive design. The M8 Gran Coupe boasts a sleek and aggressive design with a long, flowing roofline, a muscular stance, and distinctive M-styling cues. BMW M8 Gran Coupe 2025 exterior. Carbon fiber accents. It features carbon fiber accents on the roof, mirror caps, and rear spoiler, further enhancing its sporty appeal. Interior. Luxurious and driver-focused cabin. The interior is a blend of luxury and sportiness, featuring premium materials like Merino leather, a driver-focused cockpit, and M-specific design elements. BMW M8 Gran Coupe 2025 interior. Advanced technology. It's equipped with BMW's iDrive infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, a digital instrument cluster, and a range of advanced driver assistance features. Engine. Powerful V8 engine. The M8 Gran Coupe is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a remarkable 617 horsepower and 553 pounds-ft of torque in the competition model. M Twin Power Turbo Technology. It features M Twin Power Turbo Technology, ensuring rapid power delivery and exceptional performance. Backlights. Sleek LED taillights. The M8 Gran Coupe features sleek LED taillights that complement its sporty design and provide excellent visibility. Performance. Blistering acceleration. The M8 Gran Coupe offers blistering acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds in the competition model. xDrive all-wheel drive. It's equipped with xDrive all-wheel drive system that provides exceptional traction and handling in all driving conditions. Price. Starting price. The 2025 BMW M8 Gran Coupe has a starting price of around $130,000. Competition model. The competition model, with its increased power and performance, starts at around $140,000. Functions. Advanced driver assistance systems. The M8 Gran Coupe comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. M-specific features. It offers a range of M-specific features, including M-Drive modes, M-Servotronic steering, and an M-Sport exhaust system. Overall, the 2025 BMW M8 Gran Coupe is a true performance luxury sedan that offers a compelling combination of stunning design, exhilarating power, and advanced technology. It's a great choice for those who want a vehicle that can deliver both thrilling performance and luxurious comfort.